Welcome to Banali's Kitchen. Today's recipe is tricolor chicken kebab. They are hot and spicy chicken kebab, Malai chicken kebab and green chicken kebab. These kebabs are so easy and so simple to make, and the taste is insane. So let's make this awesome tricolor chicken tikka kebabs. First, in a bowl, add 1/4 cup of spinach puree. Then add 1 spoon of Henker, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoon cooking oil, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon cumin seed powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon of fenugreek leaves. Now mix them well together and make a nice and smooth paste. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well with the green spice mix. Yes, looks perfect and looks so greeny. And here is our green spice mix is ready. Now add the chicken pieces into the green spice mix and give a good marination. Once it is done, then just keep it in the refrigerator at least 1 hour. In another bowl, add 1 tablespoon of Henker, 2 teaspoons of fresh cream, and I am using Amul fresh cream, and then add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and then add 1 teaspoon of butter and half teaspoon of fenugreek leaves. Now give it a good mix with all the ingredients together. Now add half teaspoon of salt and again give a good mix. And this mixer is for Malai kebab. Yes, looks perfect. Now add chicken pieces into it and give a good marination. Once it is nicely mixed up, then we will add our next ingredients. Here you can see all the ingredients and chicken pieces mixed up well. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste and again give a good mix. You can add garam masala also. Our Malai tikka marination part is done. Now just keep this into a refrigerator at least 1 hour. In another bowl, add 2 tablespoons of Henker. Then add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then add half teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, half teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of cooking oil, and then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and add pinch of red food color. And now mix them all together and give a nice mix. Our spice mix is looking great. Now I am adding chicken pieces into it and give a good marination. After marination, keep it into the refrigerator at least 1 hour. After 1 hour in refrigerator, now just give a good stir. My Hariali chicken kebab is ready to go into our oven. For that, I am going to arrange my chicken. Take a bamboo skewer and just arrange the chicken, marinated chicken. And here is our last piece of marinated Hariali chicken. Just arrange it into your skewer. Yes, looks great. Now add some extra green spice mix into your skewer, chicken skewer, and now just keep it into your baking tray very gently, and it's ready to go into our oven. In the same way, now I am going to arrange my Malai chicken tikka kebab into the skewer. First, just give a mix. Yes. Just take a bamboo skewer and arrange in the middle, one piece by one. And then add some extra marinating masala into the chicken skewer, all over the chicken skewer. And then just keep it into the baking tray. Yes, this is really wonderful. And the last one is our hot and spicy chicken tikka kebab. First, just give a good mix and then follow the same procedure what I have done before. Just arrange the chicken pieces one by one and place it into your baking tray. Our hot and spicy chicken tikka kebab is ready. Now just place it into your baking tray. Here you can see all the chicken skewers are ready to go into our oven, and my oven is already preheated in 230 degrees centigrade for about 10 minutes. Now let them cook for 20 minutes in 230 degrees centigrade, and after 20 minutes turn the other side and again let it cook another 20 minutes. After exactly 40 minutes in 230 degrees centigrade, our kebabs are done and they are looking divine. Try these awesome kebabs at your home to celebrate the upcoming Independence Day special or even get together party. I hope you guys love it. If you like this recipe, then please click on the like and share button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye bye, take care.